to go bowling with some friends, but we ended up seeing these signs up about a Comic-Con inside the mall. Me and my brother immediately got excited because the mall was so close to us and we both love Comic-Con. We got even more excited when we saw tickets were only $12. My brother and I begged our parents and we were so excited when they said yes. It wasn't like the first one I had been to in Atlanta, which was absolutely huge, but it was still amazing. There were so many people dressed up everywhere, anime, superheroes, Star Wars. It was amazing. They had artists, collectibles, gaming sections, basically anything you could ever dream of.
Bueno, le estaba preguntando que cómo se siente y dice que le da como mucho ese vibe de Europa, pero
My brother basically refused to leave. My mom and dad were like going for the kids, but eventually they ended up seeing things they enjoyed too, like the Stranger Things, Johnny Depp, cosplay, both things that they really like.